Good evening, guys. Just want to do a quick recap of today's trading. Just an unreal day in Iconic Day Trading's room. Not just myself trading, just everybody. The mods, our Iconic Circle members. Just had a fantastic day. So I just wanted to recap some trades. Been telling a lot of the guys that stuck with us through the summer. Summer's trading is totally different animal than normal trading, and now that we're back into the fall, we had a killer day. So, my name is Peter, Peter Rate. I am the lead moderator and owner and mentor for IconicDayTrading.com. The philosophy behind my room is seeing all of the stuff that's out there, all the empty promises. Promising you that, for 5,000 they'll teach you how to trade, and you end up with, a couple DVDs, and they're on to the next sheep. So my job, or my philosophy, I'm trying to teach the next generation of traders to actually learn how to trade for themselves and not necessarily rely on a chat room. Unless you enjoy the chat room environment, you're more welcome to stay after you learn how to trade. I'm not a salesman, not a marketing guy. I'm a trader. I trade real money. Everything I do is on screen. So I don't make calls just to, give you guys a lot of hype. I don't sell the hype. I don't sell the BS. I just put up the calls, explain to you why I'm taking the calls, and everything unfolds 9 times out of 10 right on my live screen share. So here's my website, iconicdaytrading.com. You'll see we got the homepage, join, testimonials. Check out my Twitter feed. One's at PJ Rate. The other one is at Iconic Trading. Philosophy, some recent trades. Got some more YouTube videos on here as well. But my main purpose, guys, of this room is to teach you how to trade and to stop being taken from the scam artists out there. There are some great marketing people out there, fantastic marketing, but when it comes down to trading, they just can't hold their own. So, and I don't say that lightly. So I do want to say, in all sincerity, without coming off as arrogant or cocky in any way, shape, or form, because my traders know that that's not what I'm about. I'm all about paying it forward. But for the members that joined me in June and July and didn't want to do the work and didn't want to do the studying and were only in it for the calls and the fast bucks, you were in the wrong room, and I'm glad you left. The core group of people I have right now are fantastic, and they want to learn. It doesn't matter if I have 30 people or if I have 300 people, which I'll never will because I don't want a big room. My job is to teach you how to trade and make money along the way. You should not be trading unless you know why you are in a trade, period. If you don't know why you're in a trade and you got to rely on someone to tell you when to get in and get out, you should not be trading. Okay? You will blow up your account. It's just a matter of time. As simple as that. Learn to fish for yourself, guys. Don't rely on anybody. Check out my website. I'd love to have you. We are doing daily trials. If you want to come in for a day, check it out. See what we're all about. A lot of positive tweets. Here's one from one of my traders, Josh. Again, I am trying to do the right thing to teach people how to trade. So, and it's truly a life changer. And I'm privileged to be a trader. I'm privileged to be making my living from the market. And it's time for me to pay it forward. So, that being said, I just want to go over a couple quick trades because I'm running out of time already. It was just sick today, guys. It was just a total insane day. Not just for me, for all the moderators. We got DMAC, we got Shoshana, we got Eric 714, Eric C, AP. I got Chicago Lou. I don't want to leave anyone out, but everyone just killed it today, guys. It was just a fantastic day. Here's one trade we took, UVXY. See, we went long here, anticipating the breakout. You had the trend line resistance. You can pretty much draw it across. I don't need to draw it for you. Went long on the anticipation on the increase in volume. Rode it up to the top. Got about a point and a half out of this trade. Just a simple trade. Took the 9-period moving average all the way up. You got the moving average cross, which is one of my go-tos. That would have been my stop right below that. Then you had the 200. Then you had the VWAP. So I had plenty of moving averages to act as support, but this trade wasn't going to go against me. It was just a beautiful, simple trade. Nice money on that one. This one is, again, UVXY, different entry. You can see, though, the break right here. You can draw this trend line support. This trader got in a little bit earlier than I did. I think he got in down here. When it came down, it broke VWAP. And then you got a bullish candle forming. Took it up, came down, and held the 20, and then just rode the 9 all the way up. All the way up. Just, again, beautiful, classic, simple trade. My style is not hard to learn. It's all based on VWAP moving averages and support and resistance and price action. Simple as that. This is TCON. I had a little bit of this. I didn't nail this whole move. I started pre-market. I know some of the traders did. Just a beautiful short. Had good phase 3 data. Came out, thing ripped. Came down, tested the 9. It held. Made a lower high. That's a sign to short. So you start short. You take this break right here. Short to break and just ride it all the way down. This ended up being from, let's just say, 25 down to 15. It's almost a 10-point fade. Unfortunately, I only got about 2.25 out of this. I know other traders in the room got more, some got less. But again, just a simple, classic pattern and fade that we're used to. This is what we're getting back to seeing now in the fall. You know, all this phase 2, all the phase 3, all the fluff news, you know, they ramp it up, and that's what you got to learn to short. This is Can F. What a ripper today. This thing was just unbelievable. Unfortunately, I missed this whole front side of the move. Stepped out, went to the gym, took a little break. Did come back, catch a nice little short at the end. You know, made some money off of it, but I missed this beast of a move right here. You took this long over this trend line resistance over about 450. Thing ripped up to almost $8. Just a beautiful move. Never even crossed the 9-period moving average one time. A little late on his short, but I still got it, and worked out well. AERI, I've been short biased on this just because of the daily. Came down, tested the red to green move. It failed. Got short here with the moving average cross. Broke VWAP. It came down here, and this is where I covered. I covered around 28.15, 28.25. So it was a nice little fade. Came back up. Did not take this short. I should have. It was a beautiful setup. You had the moving average cross. I had the VWAP and the 50 MA sitting right here for plus the whole number for my resistance. I should have nailed this fade, but I didn't. But again, you can only nail so much during the day. SVXY. This is another classic, simple pattern that we do. Trend line. You can draw a trend line right here around 52. Okay, so it came down and got the moving average cross right here. Okay, came down, tested it, broke, came back up, rejected the 20 on the 5-minute chart. You went short. So you got short around 52.40, 52.47, rode it all the way down, and I got out a little bit over 50, 61, 50, something like that. These two candles are very bullish candles to me. So again, you can just draw the line straight across, take that break, short it. Would be a nice point and a half if you guys took it. Just simple trading patterns. That's what we do. This is ITCI, another one I was short biased on. This thing was up huge on phase 3 data. Came up, missed the front side again, but I did catch this little fade right here. It came up, crossed VWAP, crossed the 9, crossed the 20, got the 920 cross right here. So once it failed, came up, tested it, it held, go short, you ride it all the way down. So that again was points. Just a beautiful, simple fade. Never even came close to crossing the 9, and it was just a sick day. Can't say that enough. So that's it. It was just a fantastic day in the room, Iconic Day Trading. I want to share with you some of the trades, not just for me, but my moderators. Eric C, 714, DMAX, Shoshana, Chicago Will. So for those of you who haven't tried me out yet or tried out the room, now is the time to try it out. You can get daily trial for $20 for a day. You get an insight into how we trade and why we take the trade. Everything is explained. And you can learn and earn at the same time. So if you want to continue doing what you're doing, you're in the rooms and just taking calls and not really understanding why, do me a favor, ask the main moderator in the room. Ask him some technical questions. Okay, there's some rooms out there that have some phenomenal traders, some phenomenal moderators. But the main guy needs to know what he's doing. And if the main guy doesn't know what a moving average is or what VWAP is or, a Fibonacci retracement, I mean, you guys need to know how to trade if you want to do this for a living. And I love doing what I'm doing. So I hope to see you in the room soon. Again, Peter from Iconic Day Trading. And I will probably do another little webinar for you guys very soon. So check it out, iconicdaytrading.com. You guys have a great weekend. Thank you.